Hello, learner and researchers of Vedic Jyotish. Today, on Friday, 30th, 2024, I'm going to make a different kind of video. In this lecture, I will use, pardon me, I shall tell you about astrologers. And I hope this video will prove to be an inspiring video to all the learner, researcher, and beginner Vedic astrologers. I have given a title to this video. The title is The Great Astrologers and the Best Astrologers. One of the previous video in Hindi, especially in Hindi, I told you that it was the Hora chart which came into existence first, and that is my understanding of Vedic Jyotish. So that Parashariya Hora only consists two signs. The first is Cancer or Kark, and the second is Leo or Sin. Kark or Cancer is a watery sign, and you see the image of the universe in a tank. You see, at night, you can also see various stars in a pond. And to see in the light, you have eyes like torches. So whether it is a day or a night, you can see images of sun and or stars in a pond, represented by Kark Rashi or Cancer sign. And in the darkness, the beast can see the view in the night. Sing or Leo is a beast, and in night his eyes shines like a torch, so he is able to see in the night. You can see when there is a darkness, and one does not know his future, and it is a you can say it in another way, that is future is a dark. Future is always in dark. You cannot see futures. But the astrologers who are born in either Kark Rashi, Cancerian ascendant or a Leo ascendant can see the future. So they are great astrologers. So the greatest astrologers are born either in Cancer sign or in Leo sign. When I am talking about sign, it means the ascending sign, not in lunar sign, ascending sign. But a Cancerian astrologer always feels as he know nothing. And a Leo astrologer always feels that he knows everything. So, if you check the greatest astrologer of the world, you will find either they are born in Cancer ascendant or in Leo ascendant. Check. Now I am coming to the remaining part of this title, the blessed astrologers. Well, it is very difficult to define a blessed astrologer. It does not mean that he is a great astrologer. It is somewhat different. A great astrologer can also be a blessed astrologer. But an average astrologer can also be a blessed astrologer. So every airy sign gives the feeling of touch. So airy sign, every airy sign has a quality to sense that touch. And even with closed eyes, it gives you the feeling of touch. That is why all the blessed astrologers are born in either of this airy sign. There are three airy signs: Gemini or Mithun, Libra or Tula, Kumbha or Aquarius. There are three airy signs. According to Vedic Jyotish, there are three lagnas. The very first lagna is Gemini. Yeah, I am talking about the airy sign. Keep it in mind. So the very first lagna is the ascending sign. The second is moon sign or Chandrashi or Chandra Lagna. And the third is your sun, Vedic sun sign or Surya Lagna. Now, I am saying Vedic sun sign, not sun sign as used by the Western astrologers. Clear? So, these three signs gives one a feeling of touch, or they are good sensors. When any astrologer is born having either of three ascendants, I have explained before, as his airy lagna, one of airy lagna, he is a blessed astrologer. This I mean to say. This I mean to say. So, if you have moon in Mithun or Gemini, Libra or Tula or Aquarius or Kumbh, you are a blessed astrologer. Same can be said when you have moon sign, or if I have described earlier as moon sign, then take it as ascending sign, as one of these signs, or the Surya Lagna as any one of these three lagnas. You are a blessed astrologer. But mind it, it does not mean that you will become a great astrologer. Mind it. Now, Even I will say that a great astrologer can be born in any sign of the zodiac. But this is my understanding and study over uh, several horoscope of the astrologers that I am sharing with you. Becoming an astrologer is good thing, but it requires very labor. It is it is a tough work. It is very much tough work with practically very slight earning. I am giving you a warning. But if you devote, you can earn money. It takes time to earn through this field. You should remember this. So I am closing this video and I will present myself before you with a new topic very soon. Till then, goodbye. परमात्मा शिव और भगवती पार्वती आप सभी को सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करें।